Today I am going to embroider this design. I am going to first fill up this flower using buttonhole stitch. I'll begin from the center, just pick up from here, go to the edge, put the thread round and pull up the thread. Again from here, do not leave too much gap between two stitches. The thread round the needle and pull up the needle. That's all. From here, I have taken a shaded purple thread. A shaded purple thread I have taken. After completing the flower using buttonhole stitch, I have taken another thread. I have taken 6 strands of this thread. I will start from here and not on the cloth, just on top of the buttonhole stitch. Just go round the stitch like this. That is all. Just go round all the stitches like this, not on the cloth. And for this, take 6 strands of thread. When you come to the end of the line, you have to put the needle down. After coming to the end of the line, put the needle down. Again, you pick it up from here and on top of the stitch which you have just done, do another line, just the same thing. Just the same thing. You are going to do 3 lines like this. I will do this flower in the same way as this. I am just going to use shaded blue thread and buttonhole stitch. The same thing for this flower too. Buttonhole stitch. For doing this portion, I have again taken 6 strands of thread. The same thing. The stitch should be taken on top through this. Put the thread round, pull up the thread and not on the cloth. Do not put the needle through the cloth, only through the stitch. And 3 lines of this should be done. For the leaf, I have taken shaded green thread. I'll start from here. Then put the thread round the needle and below this. Three times. The same thing. Round the needle, both on top and below. Gently pull up the needle. Gently pull up the needle. Fix the stitches on top. And also over here. Fix the stitches over here also. Again, I will pick up the needle, leave a little bit of gap from here. Over here. Thread round the needle on top and below. Again, top and below. 3 times, not more than 3 times. Gently pull up the thread. Put the needle down in front of the stitches to fix that. And again, over here to fix this portion. This side of the leaf, I am going to do it this way. Again, leave a little bit of gap. Pick it up from here. The thread round the needle thrice. Gently pull up the thread. Put the needle down on this side. And over here. That's For this side, I am going to do satin stitch. After completing this side of the leaf like this, the other side I am going to do satin stitch using the same shaded thread. Satin stitch for filling up. Don't leave too much of gap between two stitches. That's how I am going to fill this portion. For the stems, I am going to do satin stitch, filling in for the stems. For this also, I have taken a shaded thread. For all the stems, I am going to use the same color thread. That's how I am going to complete all the stems. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe.